Hello students, good morning. Welcome to e-tutorial of Vinayak Public School, Khajurahat, Ayodhya. My name is Jitna Singh. I will teach you today English grammar of class 3rd. Let's study. Dear students, our topic today is use of to and to. Its meaning to भी ज़्यादा के लिए भी प्रयोग किया जाता है. To और ये शब्द एक दिशा की तरफ इंगित करता है. When to are used in middle, when it means too much. When too much word is used at the end of a sentence, it also has meaning. You can see here, for example, this is too much for me. Its Hindi meaning, यह मेरे लिए बहुत अधिक है. I am going to, मैं भी जा रहा हूँ. I have exam tomorrow too. 2 points towards a direction. I am going to Punjab. I have nothing else to say. I go to every day. Dear students, I hope that you have understood our point completely now. See you again in this video. Thank you.